Today I'm going to show you how I make tuna burgers. I take this old cookie sheet and I start by just giving it a light spray of a cooking oil like canola oil. Over here I've got some chicken of the sea white albacore. I opened a couple cans of that and I put it in a dish, and then we have our Miracle Whip. And we'll just reach in and take a scoop of Miracle Whip out, throw it in there, not too much, about like that. And now I'll start mixing this all up. Okay, I mix it up till it's just kind of a nice creamy texture to it. I'm not using a tripod today, so it's a little harder, but you can see it. Not too bad. Just about what I want. Now I'm going to grab some hamburger buns. I'll take our tuna mixture and I'll set it on each burger. Like that. Spread it out. Use a fork. These are going to be good. I guarantee it. Tuna burgers are great to make when you don't have much time and you want something other than just a tuna fish sandwich. Something that tastes a little different, a little more fun to eat. If you drop some on the thing, don't worry about that. Just pick it up. Move it over. Look at that. Look at that. Have a little extra, just kind of move it around. And finally, we'll put a piece of cheese, of American cheese, over each burger. And we've preheated our oven to 375. There we go. Check them out. In the oven they'll go at 375. So, use this to show. Get them in there. And let's close it up, and there you go. 375. And they'll probably be in there for 7 to 9 minutes. You got to watch them or you'll burn the bottoms. Okay, they've been in for 8 minutes. So we'll check them. There they are. Check them, folks. Look at that. And if you look at the bottoms of these, they should be nice and golden brown and melted on top. You can see a little bit of burning on the very edge there. That means they're done on the bottom. So there you have it. Tasty tuna burgers. Easy to make on a Friday afternoon. Takes just a couple minutes and you're ready to eat. Not the greatest supper in the world, but there's something to put in your stomach until you can make something a little more complicated. Signing off. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more of these simple little videos.